Hello kids, welcome back once again. Today again we will draw a border. First we will do a half. We will take a half page here. We will bifurcate a A4 size paper into half. Okay. And then it's done. Now we will just see here. Okay. Give a border. We will draw a candle today. Okay. We'll draw a candle. Just give a border. See. Let's give a border here. Okay. So I have done with the two sides of the border. The third side, let me just do properly. So here is the third side of the border. Okay. Then the fourth side, see here. See here, this is the fourth side. Okay. Now just see here, children. Give a, for the heading, give a underline here as you will be drawing here. So just give here. This is, give an underline. Okay, mark here. Then for the heading also give an underline. Okay, now write here candle. Right children, this is candle. See, C capital, right, C capital, A, all in capitals, C-A-N-D-L-E. There should not be any space. See, it's a one word, C-A-N-D-L-E. See here, it's E. Candle. C-A-N-D-L-E. Candle. Now we will draw a small candle for you. Okay. Let's say, how would we can? Let's say, see. Here, suppose we will draw like this. Give a standing line first. Okay. See, give a standing line. That means this is a candle. Mark a turn here. See, give a standing line, then mark a turn here. Okay, have it done. Now come like this, and also here also what you do is be it like this. As of now, give here like this, and let's say the candle is, see, this is a zigzag curve. Do like this. Your activity skill will improve. All these are your zigzag curves. Give like this. From here, give like this. Again, give like this. Give like this. Okay. If you want, you can reduce the size of this one. Let's say, if you are reducing the size of this here, so the flame also you need to erase and reduce it, the size. See here, this is your zigzag. Okay, once you are done, okay, see here. Again like this, again do like this, again do like this. Okay, fine. Now keep it here like, here it's for an example, give a C here, here also a C. So here it will be a circle. Though it's a O, but it's a circle. In max it's a circle. Okay, now see here, just a normal circle. Then here also give like this. Children, you try to do yourself. See, like this. Then give a leaf here. Let's suppose from here, okay, join this and give a leaf here like this. Okay, so see here, for an example, just give here like this. So you can think it's a kind of leaf. Then comes like this. For a 3, so we will give like 3. See here. Anything you can draw. It's so your own creativity. Okay. See now. Again, do give like this. Then, let's see, give like this. Okay. See. Now here also, let's see, like this. You are going here. Come here. See, we will join here. Let's say we will start from here. So see, this is a candle. Okay, a small candle I have drawn for you. So we will just give an outline for the candle. Okay, first we will draw. That is, we have drawn. We will just give an outline in black color. We will give so that the candle will be highlighted. So just to see here. Just for an outline. See here, children. Once you draw, you can give your outline. The next stage is to giving an outline, and the other stage is to do your own creativity. See here, you can give your own shade. See, take this one. Okay. Now here, now mark this also. Give an outline here too. Okay. See now. Okay. So now we have done with the outline. Yes. Yes, now we have done with the outline. Now what we will do is we will give a shade. So which color you want me to give children? Say for this one we will give the yellow color. That is for the candle. See here. As I said, any method you can follow, but stick in the same method itself. See here, this is a candle. You can draw by your own creativity, children. Just try to draw. You need to attempt. Slowly you will get the speed to draw. Okay? But only the thing is you need to attempt first. If you are not attempting, how can you know your performance? Yes. So if you will attempt, you will know where you stand. And accordingly, you can mold yourself. Yes? Yes. So we are doing this one. See here. Now I have done with the yellow color shade. Again we will do just an outline. So see here children, see this is a yellow color, right? Now after that we will give for the leaf, it's green color. So let me take the green color first. So see here children, green color. We will just give an outline here. For the green shade we will give for the leaves. See This is it for the leaves. For here also we will give a shade. See here, again we will give a light shade was there, so we will just give a dark shade here. Okay, see now here. So we have done with the shade, green shade. Now we will, let's say, we'll give for the balloons, that's pink. We'll give, see here. See here. So now we will do a shade once again for everything. So this is a boundary. So see here now, this is a candle. Now we will give a light shade for this one, for the candle. Just to highlight it, that it's a candle. It's a candle. So see here children, now we will give an outer line. We have done, just we will just highlight it, candle. So see, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. What is it children? It's a candle. See here, a candle we have drawn. You try by yourself to draw the candle.